If you've been bad about implementing AI into your print on demand business workflows, you're going to want to see this video. Things that used to take weeks or even months take minutes now. And I don't want you to take me at my word. I want to prove it to you. So let's get to it. It wasn't too long ago where I released a YouTube video walking through how to launch an entire print on demand shop using AI. I think it took about 5 minutes to launch this camping and nature themed shop. I will link to it in the YouTube cards and in the description of this video in case you missed it. What I want to do in this video is continue where we left off. So my goal is now to do some quick research. I'm going to go to Etsy. I'm going to type in the word camping. And because I'm using the EverBee Chrome extension, I can literally see underneath each product in search results how well they're selling. Now, it's taking a second to load, but okay, I can see this first ad did 0 sales in the last month, but the second one did 56. The custom listing here behind me, 60 sales in the last month. Or I can open the sidebar, go to product analytics, and now I have the option of not just searching Etsy and being restricted to page by page of data. I can click EverBee database. It'll look at 200 plus million Etsy listings for the word camping. Let's click trending. Let's see what's trending in the camping category. I can also see right here, not just how many sales they're doing, but how many sales they're doing in the last month. Basically, what I'm doing here is research on the fly and using real data to inform my bias. EverBee also has this filter where I can just click bestseller and it will do just that. Now I'm only going to see best-selling products. So I don't have to guess if these are in high demand, if these are selling. And what I'm going to do is I am just going to take a picture, okay, of these designs. I'm going to paste it in ChatGPT and I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I'm building a print on demand themed website where I want to sell print on demand apparel in the camping niche. I need you to look at the attached graphic. These are some of the best sellers on Etsy. Use this as inspiration and leave me a list of about 15 ideas that would work well as t-shirt designs in the camping niche. Okay, now I can just speak into my mic just like that, and I will click send prompt. ChatGPT will basically, I'm just outsourcing my thinking to it, right? This is where we're at with AI now. It is quick and easy to do things that, like I said, used to take weeks, if not months. Okay, so they're literally designing our products for us. 15 different designs. This one says Camp Social Club, Weekend Escape, Work, Camp, Repeat, Personalized Family Camp, National Park Passport Series. Okay, I mean, I love that idea. Let's grab this as an idea. Now, I launched my outdoor themed camping store using EverBee's Oppo shop. Okay, now I'm going to go over here to Ohoney. Okay, EverBee just launched this. They basically have developed the full suite that print on demand sellers need to be successful, to launch successful stores with successful designs, etc. You guessed it. We are going to paste, okay, National Park Passport Series. And then I'm going to go ahead and just say, well, I don't know if I want to stack it with I'm going to go ahead and just do Smoky Mountains for now. And I'm going to hit generate. Now, it is going to do just that. It's going to create a design optimized for print on demand in this niche. Okay. And while we're doing that, while we're waiting for the output, let's go to the next one, Lake Camp Collection. Okay, life is better at the lake. So check it out. I went ahead, copy pasted 4 different prompts straight from ChatGPT into Ohoney, and it's designing them for us on demand in seconds. It's this easy now. I'm actually going to go back up and show you something else you can do. So on number 4, the National Park Passport Series, okay, all you have to do is hover over, hit make more, and say Yellowstone. And it should know that we're saying, hey, do the Yellowstone equivalent of this. Instead of Smoky Mountains themed, make it Yellowstone themed. And that's it. And just like that, we've got our Yellowstone themed design. I mean, on command, it takes seconds. I wanted to make you guys aware that we can now click process and push, and we have the ability to send these to Printify and then to Oppo Shop. So these are actually usable. We can monetize these. We go ahead to process and push, and it says connect Oppo Shop and Printify. So I need to open up Oppo Shop, which again was that camping theme store that we created in the previous video. And watch this. I'm going to click install on the Ohoney app. It could not be simpler. Go ahead and approve. Takes a second to load. Boom. Now we're connected. Okay. We can go ahead and connect another as well. They do have a Printify connection. So I'm going to go ahead and open OpenShop, install Printify. You got to love it, guys. EverBee understands the ecosystem that print on demand sellers are working within. They understand the need for us to use AI, and they basically made a way for us to integrate all of this. And once you've got the two apps installed, go back to process and push. And you'll notice it says ready. Now, they've got additional integrations coming soon, by the way. So this is really exciting. Now, you can either upload your own designs, and they actually have the ability to do like batch processing, things like removing backgrounds and whatnot, but we just created designs. So I'm going to hit Browse Library here behind me. I'm going to go ahead and select these designs right here. Now we have the ability to upload a mockup. I already loaded up a basic like t-shirt, generic t-shirt, just to show you that this works. When you first upload a mockup, actually, I'll delete it. I'll go ahead and upload. I get to place where the design will show up. Okay, so I have control over that, which means for every mockup we do, we're basically telling it where to place the designs. I'm going to save the print area there. I will review all of these. Now, look, they've already placed the design on our mockups just like that. It was that simple. I mean, guys, this is where things are headed. Things that used to take so long are so simple now. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And from here, because it's integrated with Printify, you go ahead, select your Printify shop. I'm assuming you probably have multiple. Select it from that dropdown and push the products. Then you then you sync them up with a product from Printify's catalog, probably a Gildan 5000 t-shirt, and you're good to go. And then it'll pull your templates from the shop. I set up a Gildan 5000 t-shirt here, and you can go ahead and sync this up with that product and that color. You can select the mockup for each one of them, which we just set up. So I'm going to go ahead and I had labeled it, t-shirt Amazon merch, because that's what it basically is. I'm going to hit continue. We can review one last time. We can set up a title if we choose. Actually, look, it looks like AI is going to do that for us. Love that. So I jumped over to OppoShop real quick to confirm that the products made it, and there they are, all 4 t-shirts that we just designed. You can see that they're also available for sale on the front end of our OppoShop. The one thing I would mention is I have a black background in the mockup because I used a transparent PNG. I would recommend against doing that unless you find that black background desirable for your mockups. That's just one way I've been using AI to benefit my print-on-demand business. If you guys liked what you see, I will link to literally everything that you saw me use in the description, including to that tutorial video that I used to launch that entire shop using AI in less than 5 minutes.